An excellent digital casino payment system is what the majority of players seek when they visit gambling sites. Quick depositing and withdrawals incentivize punters to trust a gaming platform more, especially if an operator offers popular gateways. Let's look at the most widely used payment methods in online casinos. Credit and debit cards can be used for online purchases, with a single distinction. Debit cards utilize assets from personal savings, while credit ones spend money lent at a bank with an installed limit. Three popular card agents are Visa, with 54%, MasterCard, with 22%, and American Express, with 19% of the market share. E-wallets are players' favorite way of depositing, as punters can avoid big banks' commissions and exchange rates. Top-rated representations of the method are PayPal, Skrill, and Neteller. Bitcoin and other tokens are digital monetary assets based on blockchain technology. They are reliable and encrypted, making stealing or counterfeiting impossible. Widely used tokens besides Bitcoin are Litecoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin. An online analog of its paper relative, eChex uses automated clearing rather than card networks to send assets. Are you not sure about which variant to choose? The answer is quite simple. The integration of a combined payment system is a key for the success of a gambling platform. The selection of transfer methods must be oriented on user convenience, popularity in the region, and reliability of the gateway. Which characteristics you should pay attention to when selecting payment providers? Speed of transactions. The quicker money is delivered, the more players will be satisfied. Simple processing. It should take minimal effort for users to set up a deposit and even less work to withdraw. Reliability of transfers. Punters need to know that funds reach their destination and can be cashed out whenever possible. Security of assets. Ensuring the safety of information during deposits and withdrawals is particularly essential when working with money. Privacy of personal data. No third party can get access to information mentioned by a player when using a payment gateway. Let's talk about the benefits of ordering payment program integration from online casino market. Multi-stage user verification system. This ensures the complete safety of players' funds and personal information. Protection against widespread hacker schemes. Innovative software eliminates any chance of third-party penetration. Statistic availability and transfer history. Information about all transactions is preserved for users' convenience. Access limitation to unreliable clients. Operators can exclude suspicious or harmful IP addresses and prevent them from depositing and withdrawing. Crypto and fiat currency interaction. A platform can be designed to utilize both types of payment and attract more potential clients. Online casino market is a leading aggregator of services in the modern iGaming sphere. Hundreds of operators already connected payment systems with the help of the company. Our experts monitor the changes in the availability of payment systems to ensure the latest upgrades are introduced to operators. Order our integration of transaction gateways and other services for building and improving your casino business. Contact customer support for more details on cooperation. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel to learn more about gambling business.